Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Derrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
Definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, let me call you back. I'm about to just beat Derrell again. Oh.
You're talking to yourself and everybody even on the phone.
I know.
So today I hear we were challenged by Michael.
Let's see what he got for us.
Let's do it.
Hey guys, it's Michael. One of my favorite dishes in Los Angeles is Lu Ruo Fan from Kato, and I challenge you guys to make it for me.
Ooh, get fancy.
It sounds bad bougie.
Sounds real fancy, but I'm with it. And I think it's Lu Ruo Fan.
Lu Ruo Fan.
Listen, all I know is pork belly and rice. I'm game. I'm with it. I'm hangry. Let's get to it.
Yeah, we found out the day when we get there. What's up, Kato?
So excited.
What are we here
Oh,
for?
thank you.
Very well.
Thank you. Ooh, this is so pretty.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Good. What can I get you?
How do you pronounce this? Because we've been having a battle since.
Call it Lu Ruo.
Lu Ruo Fan.
Yeah.
What is
Not
Lu Ruo
Ross.
Fan?
So it's basically a Taiwanese pork belly rice. It's
Yeah,
my
let's do
favorite
2 of those. We're very excited. So if you know any
Perfect.
tips, or if anyone in the kitchen has any tips for us,
Here's the thing. I'll also just like give you guys my information and just let me know like what.
are you? What's? I'm so excited. I've never had Taiwanese before.
Yeah.
This is like way out of, like, we are not in Miami anymore. This is so
This damn sure ain't Brooklyn. This is like the cleanest restaurant I've ever seen. Oh! Shoot.
This is beautiful. All right, wait, we gotta do a sniff test. Smell it.
Yeah.
It smells good.
That smells good.
I'm gonna break the egg first. It's the soy marinated egg. Oh. All right, this is gonna be a deciding factor. If your egg looks like this today, that means you've achieved half the dish.
I have no idea what this flavor is. I mean, I have an idea, but it's not like bam.
How do
it's
we?
this.
How do we recreate this? I picked up a few flavors that I definitely know. It's gonna be interesting.
It's complex.
Yes.
Like it doesn't hit
It's
you in the
simple
face
at the
once.
same time. Neither of us are used to this
Yeah.
is our first time ever trying Taiwanese food, but I'm excited. And I think I'm ready to be called Zionze for the rest of the day.
Good luck to you.
Good luck to you, my friend. Kato,
Really good.
this is completely out of our comfort zone.
Yeah.
We've done a little research, so like we'll see. Okay, I'll speak for myself. I've done a little research, so I'm as ready as I think it's gonna be.
We're gonna try to remake this sauce, so
All right, so 30 minutes on the clock, please.
don't be offended.
This is so out of our comfort zone.
Yeah, this is gonna be a wild one.
So small.
I'm interested, because at the end of the day, Zoe, I think we all know, Derrell is a dog.
Why do you keep
Dog
saying
things.
that?
We're gonna use that food processor, because I don't think we'll be able to get it that small.
This is something that you usually braise for hours. We definitely found that out.
It's not working!
Great technique.
My master blade isn't working!
Great
No.
technique. I've seen them do this at like Chinese markets. I'm hoping that give me like
the same spirit,
yeah.
that shit ain't gonna happen.
Let's do this. Gonna
that's-
boil it for a few minutes.
Alright, boom.
Wow, there's a lot happening right now, guys.
Yeah.
Holy crap. I'm not sure.
You scared yet?
Supposed to like caramelize these onions and some sugar and develop them. Like, I don't know. Are you using Merlot?
Yes, yeah?
What?
Listen, this ain't gonna be traditional.
Something's gonna happen for sure. That's for damn sure.
We're gonna call it the Lu Ruo Fan.
See some 5-spice. I'm using shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna rehydrate them, and honestly, these are gonna bring so much flavor to this.
So,
I already know my husband's watching. He's like, "What are you doing?" There we go.
the old butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
Pretty sure they don't use butter, but okay.
I gotta make it cute though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta make my sauce nice and shiny. All right.
Okay, 15
All right.
minutes. My water. doing there, D?
You know what I'm doing.
It's okay to say, I don't know what I'm doing. Zoe, you're definitely a better cook than I am.
1, 2, 3.
I just want you to know, I am like focused as f right now. It's good.
All right, that's fine. See that? What you making over there, Zoe? They don't even look right.
Getting intense. I'm gonna rice. Huh? 8 minutes. Lovely. Derrell, if I remember correctly, didn't you say you were like a horrible rice cooker?
I am horrible rice cooker. I'm not even gonna lie. So,
Good to know.
and you could just get on my Google Calendar. Like, I'll share the invite with you. You can get on the calendar so I can give you lessons.
Do you ever just get tired of like talking?
Damn it, rice. Always gotta mess me up. 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
This is going to be interesting.
Pork belly's going in. As Derrell put it, it looked like
2
a
minutes?
fancy
That's
bird nest.
A bird nest. Oh, fudge.
I'm really bad at peeling eggs.
Crack my ear. 1 minute, and I'm peeling a damn egg. Damn, bro. Well,
Oh God. She's a struggle.
what the? Whoa!
What is that?
I have no idea. How did the time go so fast?
We got our asses handed to us. Just stuff.
Bring him in.
Yeah, let's
Bring him in.
Just.
Yes. So Mike challenged us to this dish at Kato.
And
Here we
we've
are.
never had it before.
I'm so
Thank you for
excited.
the recommendation. It's definitely an experience, but we've done our best job that we possibly could. Boy from Brooklyn, girl from Miami, and try to recreate this Taiwanese classic.
I don't know who this is.
Judge based off taste and presentation.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Cool.
We'll
We'll
be
be
back
here.
here.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the uglier one. It might not look, you know, the best, but it tastes very similar. The pork belly is really, really good, and the sauce is really good. If you look between the two, this one is a bit more glazed and like saucy, and this one looks like it's a little bit drier. But I'm gonna go to this one now. This one has the look, but this one tasted a lot more like it. This doesn't, the sauce on this one doesn't taste as much like the sauce in the Kato one. All around, I think this one looks like the Kato one more, but this one tasted more like it, so I have to go with this one.
Go, boy.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about, Mike.
So yours was beautiful. It
Thank
looked great.
you.
And your egg was so much better
Thank
than his,
you.
but I just...
If you guys want to send us to your favorite restaurants, make sure that you hashtag taste off and let us know where we should go. Then we're going to come back here, recreate it.
And I'm gonna win, just like today. You see what I did?
Mine's
Don't you ever doubt me.
Come on. He used Merlot, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm done. All right,
Now
this
shout out to
is-
Kato. They should have.